Hello everybody. Tonight we make some dish easy, but maybe 15 minutes and the dish is done. We make orecchiette with the broccoli di raba and Italian hot sausage. And we need garlic, and I got a couple of hot pepper, oh yeah baby. I don't put too much, cause I got the sausage, it's spicy too. Okay, now for start, we can start the orecchiette. And the orecchiette take 11 to 12 minutes to cook. Now, we put the orecchiette first, but the water boil, and we put salt. Okay, it's enough for this. And now we put the orecchiette. Like I said, orecchiette you gotta cook 11 to 12 minutes.
Oh, we need timer. Bill, can you time for us, please?
At the same time, we put the gas on for this pots over here. I gotta use the garlic, little bit.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
I gotta saute the sausage. Now, I want to show over here what I got. I want to say it again. Hello, everybody. A happy holiday. A happy new year. Buon anno nuovo. Chin chin e salute. And thank you so much for the start. Chin chin. Salute. Now, I want to say something else too. I was making broccoli di raba before. And somebody said to me, Pasquale, it's not broccoli di raba, it's a cime di raba. You see, yes, it's a cime di raba we call in Italy. Cime di raba or rapini. I'm over here in America, everybody call broccoli di raba. But I make everybody happy. It's a cime di raba, and broccoli di raba, and rapini. Okay, now we bring the sausage over here. I don't want somebody say something, you know, I make everybody happy. You're happy, I'm happy, everybody. Okay, we start with the sausage. And we raise the gas a little bit. And we saute the sausage. The time the pasta's ready, got the sausage, you see what I did? I did a little piece like that. And this did not take too long to cook. Now, when the pasta is ready, make sure to not throw away the water, because we need a little water when I mix the pasta with the sausage. And we use a little pecorino cheese I got over there too. Okay, everything's good. Salute. Chin chin, everybody. Thank you so much for your support and thank you for the start. Chin chin. Salute. Now we cook a little bit more. After I gotta put the garlic and the oil baby, they cook it together. And the pasta. I hope everybody did a good holiday for Christmas. Okay? I hope everybody was enjoying and now New Year come to 2024. I hope everybody be good, everybody be really good, okay?
Tell how you did the broccoli
Oh,
rabe.
yes, now the broccoli di rabe, I was blanch only for a couple of minutes. And I take it out. Because this, it cook fast. Look how beautiful look this broccoli di rabe. Got a nice flour. Look at that. Cime di rape. Broccoli di rabe e latino. Okay, we bring it right over here. All right, now it's time to put the garlic and the pepper.
Bill, it's 7 more minutes.
Okay, good, good. Thank you very much, Bill. Okay, now, like I said, we got the pasta, the broccoli, and we need a little bit more extra oil. All right.
It smells so good. Yeah, you put some hot pepper too.
Yes, I put 2 hot pepper, but this is really spicy, this pepper. Okay, we load the gas on this pot.
I know this is really easy dish and it's so delicious. Well, Leslie, she said this is her favorite dish. Thank you, Leslie.
Yes, thank you very much. E we do salute e cin cin everybody. Cin cin, salute.
Thank you, Brian. The eggplant balls, how was it? Did you like it? Five more minutes, pasta.
5 more minutes, good, good. We figure out good, like this, the sausage should be ready, and the pasta ready, and gotta put the broccoli, the sauté together.
Yeah, we gotta use new dishes. Yes, Bill, thank you.
I know, Bill. I gotta ready that dish. Ready.
Thank you so much for buying the t-shirts. He's from South Italy, Orsara di Puglia. Hello, Hawaii. Smells so spicy here already.
The sausage, you got a beautiful color.
How many pasta are you cooking?
A 5 cup of pasta, Orechiette come out. 7 ounces. You want another weight?
No, somebody just asking. It's just for 2 of us.
Yeah, I put it for 2, but maybe I eat by myself. All right. Okay, let's check the pasta now.
Thank you, Joseph.
I want to cook a little bit together, maybe 1 minute.
I hope you will be cooking some dishes from the calendar.
No, yeah.
The sausage is cooking for about maybe 5-6 minutes.
Yeah. How many more minutes we got for the pasta? Maybe 4?
10 for left.
4 left? Okay, the sausage it cook like maybe 4 minutes.
Three more minutes, Bilisa.
Okay. We load the gas on the sausage.
Thank you, Joey.
All right. Let me test it again to the pasta. I want to do a couple of minutes.
The lemon pasta, yeah, this is really good too. Yeah, it smells really good.
Okay. Okay, we load the gas on the thing, and let's put the broccoli. All right. And we saute together. Oh.
Billy said 2 more minutes.
Okay, good. Thank you so much for the time. Bill.
Thank you for sharing. If you enjoyed the live stream, please share. Thank you so much. No, he don't drain anything. He just add some water.
Chin chin. Salute everybody. Chin chin. Happy New Year. Okay. Let's put the pasta ready.
So 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes. I want to cook a little bit over here. And we turn the gas off and let's drain the pasta. Leave a little water on when I drain like this.
Thank you for sharing. Oh, thank you. Looks so good.
Okay, that's it. Turn off, turn off.
Looks so good. Thank you, Bill.
Thank you for the time.
Looks so good.
Turn off. And now?
You don't need no more water pasta? No.
No, I think let me see, it's well off.
I don't know. You check.
No.
Actually, it's not greasy, nothing. I don't know where you see the grease.
Look how beautiful. All right, look at that. You know, got enough. It's the water over there. It's no oil and no fat. Everybody say, anyway, I don't like too much fat stuff. And look at this beautiful dish now.
Yeah, I do cooking also, but not for YouTube or Facebook, just for myself. Looks so good.
Okay, look at this. Let me take a spoon. For You see, everybody can see I don't got enough fat at all. Look. Okay? And like I said before, I don't like when it's too much greasy. Now we put a little cheese.
Thank you, Mark.
Okay. And my wine.
Smells delicious.
Okay, let's test it. It is a spice. Broccoli, cime di rame. A really good, easy dish and delicious. Chin chin e salute, and thank you so much for the start. Chin chin, salute, happy new year, and we see next time. Chin chin.
Thank you.